Hi, today we are discussing about Elaps corallinus. Is the one of the Ophidia group remedy, and we are discussing about more about and today we are discussing more about this drug. Elaps corallinus is a homeopathic remedy prepared from the venom of the coral snake or the Brazilian coral snake. It belongs to the Ophidia group and it's known for action on the blood, mucous membranes, respiratory system, and nervous system. Sphere of action: Elaps act mainly on blood and circulation, mucous membranes, respiratory tract, ear, stomach, nervous system. The keynote is black discharges with a marked internal coldness. Essence and the central theme: coldness, darkness, hemorrhage, internal toxicity. Central sensation is feeling deep cold inside. Dark, destructive process within, hidden pathology progressing silently. Among the snake remedies, Elaps often shows a stronger theme of internal coldness and black secretions. Mental symptoms: anxiety, fear, especially at the night, sadness, irritability, suspicion, fear of disease or death. Patient may feel uneasy in darkness, fearful when alone. Grand keynotes: black discharges, most important. A classic keynote: discharges may be black, dark, offensive, blood stained. Examples are black stools, black vomiting, dark menstrual discharge, and dark sputum. Internal coldness is the very characteristic symptom of the remedy, one of the strongest elapsed symptom. Patient feels ice cold sensation internally, coldness in stomach, cold chest, cold sensation along the spine. Even in skin feels warm, patient complains of internal coldness. Hemorrhagic tendency: like many Ophidia remedies, dark bleeding, oozing hemorrhage, blood decomposition, common in GI bleeding, respiratory bleeding, and septic states. Ear complaints: Elaps has notable affinity for ear symptoms: ear pain, offensive discharge, otorrhea, deafness after discharge. Useful in chronic suppurative ear conditions. Respiratory symptoms: important remedy in respiratory disease. Symptoms are cough with dark sputum, chest oppression, hemoptysis, difficulty in breathing, may feel coldness in chest and tightness in lungs. Gastric symptoms: nausea, vomiting of dark material, gastric irritation, cold sensation in stomach. Modalities: worse from cold drinks, nights, damp weather, exposure to cold. Better from warmth, rest, and covering. Clinical uses: homeopathically. Traditionally, we consider in hemorrhagic states, chronic otitis, hemoptysis, gastritis, septic conditions, and dark offensive discharges. Comparison: Elaps versus Crotalus horridus. Elaps: internal coldness, black discharges. Crotalus horridus are severe hemorrhage, jaundice, and collapses marked. Elaps versus lachesis. Elaps: coldness, dark secretions, and lachesis is constriction, left-sided complaints. Key mnemonics are: E stands for ear complaints, L for loss of warmth or the internal coldness, A for anxiety, P for pitch black discharges, S for septic states. Thank you.